Hello and assalamu alaikum. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a delicious appetizer called Bajiyo. You're going to start off by mashing 3 large potatoes and 3 large carrots together. Then you're going to add 1/3 cup of chopped white onion and 1/3 cup of diced scallions. Add them to the bowl. Then you're going to add your spices, which is minced garlic and some Maggi seasoning. Then I add a tablespoon of baking powder, some rosemary and oregano, and some chili flakes. Here I'm adding a mixture of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of flour. Then I add 1 large egg, some salt, and I start mixing it with my hand. Then I let it sit for a while, preferably overnight, and then I start cooking it like this. It could be fried on medium to low heat, and you can also use a spoon to put it in the oil. They should come out golden brown like this. And here is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed. And Ramadan Mubarak.
Ramadan Mubarak, everyone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. وزي صحباتي عايزين عطول رمضان ده حياتي شمال مماتي.